Hello my fashion lovers, welcome to this tutorial. On this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to make this bubble sleeve. It's a bubble sleeve. You can attach it in any clothes of your choice, and if you have any question you can ask in the comment section. If you are joining for the first time, please subscribe, like and drop your comments in the comment section. Please like and share so that other people will get to see the video. This is a bubble sleeve, and in the course of the video you see how we are going to make this sleeve. And this is the one I've made. I made it with the Duchess fabric, and now I'm going to show you how to make the sleeve. I will be working with the fiber. This is the fiber we are working with, and the fabric. The fabric I'm working with is Duchess fabric. You can use any fabric of your choice with the fiber to make the bubble sleeve. And for the sleeve, I'm going to use the width I'm using is 7 inches. 7 inches. The length I'll be using for one sleeve is length 20, because my sleeve is going to be 12, so I will add extra inches, because at the cost of tying the sleeve the size is going to reduce, so I will add extra inches. It's better to have excess than to have shortage. So now I will take the fiber, cut it, make sure I cut it into smaller pieces, and I will go ahead to insert it into my fabric. And this fabric I've sewn it already. Just sew it, turn it to the right side and close up the the end part. Just take the fabric and close it up, and you go ahead and insert the fiber. And after inserting, I will take my thread and go ahead and tie it up. And while tying, make sure you leave 1 inch or ½ inch that you're going to use to join to your dress. As you can see in the video, you go ahead and tie it and leave some inches you're going to use to join to the main fabric. And as I'm pushing it, I'll make sure that what I have is the same as the other sleeve, and I'll go ahead and tie it. The essence of using this fiber is for it to be soft on the body. You wouldn't want to go and use a hard object to put inside the fabric. So that is why I'm making use of the fiber, because fiber is very soft. So I'll go ahead and tie it, and this is what I will do until I achieve the length of the sleeve I'll be needing. Like I said, the length of my sleeve is 12 inches. And after tying it up, I have to tie it multiple times so that it doesn't unravel. So I'll go ahead and cut the fiber into smaller parts and go ahead and insert it into the fabric. And after inserting it, I'll go ahead and use the thread, the matching thread, to tie it up. If you're still watching at this time, please subscribe and like and drop your comments. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. And this is what I will do for all the fabrics until I get my desired length. You go ahead and continue until I get my desired sleeve length. I'll go ahead and tie it. Make sure I knot it very well so that it doesn't open up. and I'll continue. Just watch what I'm doing. Watch what I'm doing, and you go ahead and do yours. And this is what I'm going to do, as you can see in the picture. And now what I have, I'll go ahead and measure what I have. And what I have is 12 inches plus the allowance I will use to attach it to the sleeve. And at the end of it, this is what I have. And for the video of this dress, I'll still upload the video of this dress after this. So if you want to watch to learn how I made this dress, please subscribe and put on your notification bell to be notified when I post this video. Can you see how beautiful it is? Very beautiful sleeve. Thank you for watching. See you next time.